Yes. Hi, Miss Verona. This is an explanation of the question that you had in terms of, okay, in terms of the assignment. This capstone you can see over here is just detailing, well, really not detailing anything, but just giving you a general idea of what the capstone assignment will include. All right, and as you'll notice, each week beginning with this week, you will complete one step of the capstone as you progress later on. So obviously, the assignment is right here for this week that's due on the April 1st. All right, this assignment right here, capstone assignment, and you'll see that this is the assignment link that we usually use. All right, but this first part is just giving you a general idea of what the capstone assignment is. This is not anything that you're submitting. This is what you're submitting, capstone assignment using Excel as a database. And as you'll see, all right, submit your file in the assessment link. This is the, I'm sorry, not assessment, in the assignment link, and this is where the assignment link is right now. All right, and then of course you know how to do a discussion board assignment. So these are the questions, they're in your team and all of that. But this is what you're looking at to submit. Okay, make sure you go through each and every one of the questions. And anything that you don't understand, you can text me or you can email me. All right, or you could post in Q&A. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.